Hey everyone! If your Chrome extensions are not working in 2026, like they won't load, crash, or stop responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Chrome extensions not working. First, restart your browser completely inside Google Chrome. This can fix temporary glitches and memory-related issues. Next, check if your extensions are enabled. Sometimes extensions get turned off automatically without you noticing. Now update Chrome to the latest version. Outdated browsers often cause compatibility issues with extensions. After that, disable conflicting extensions one by one. Some extensions don't work well together and can break functionality. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can stop extensions from working properly. Now, uninstall and reinstall the problematic extension. This resets settings and fixes most common errors. Finally, check site permissions for each extension. Some extensions only work on specific websites and need proper access. So yeah, that's how you fix Chrome extensions not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your extensions should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone!